episode number 4 today for the Super Bowl Sunday special. Today's going to be something a little different that not usually you'll see as an appetizer for Super Bowl Sunday, and it is called the slow cooker bacon mac and cheese. It's such an easy dish. You put everything into a slow cooker and 3 hours later it'll be ready for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and name off the ingredients for this yummy slow cooker bacon mac and cheese. So I'm going to name off the ingredients that I need for this dish. So first we're going to start off with a slow cooker on high. Then you're going to have 2 cups of sharp cheddar and 2 cups of Monterey cheese mixed together. Then you're also going to need 2 cups of whole milk. You're going to need 12 slices of bacon, cooked and diced up. You'll also need 3 garlic cloves, minced up, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I think I'm saying it correct, but we'll see. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Then you'll need 1 10.7 ounce can of condensed, make sure it's condensed, cheddar cheese soup. You'll need 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. And then you'll need 1 pound or 16-ounce box of pasta shells. I like mine small so that way it's easier to eat and it's like so much more in a bite. You can get big ones, but I just prefer small ones. And then to garnish off, I have 3 green onions. I have about 1/4 cup of cilantro. And that's all I have for the garnishing. You could also throw a little bit of cheese on top to garnish when you do eat the mac and cheese, or you could throw on some Parmesan. I usually don't. Maybe I'll throw on a little bit of cheese, but not Parmesan. So that's what I'm going to need for the bacon mac and cheese. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how we're going to throw this together in this slow cooker. Alright, first we're going to mix together all the ingredients. We're going to put the 2 cups of whole milk. We're going to add the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're also going to add the mustard. The chili sauce. The Worcestershire sauce. Man, I don't know how to pronounce that. The black pepper. The garlic. We're gonna add not all the bacon, but half of the bacon that we cooked already. The rest is gonna be left for the garnish on top while it's cooking. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the 2 cans of evaporated milk. Then we're gonna add the condensed soup, the cheddar cheese one. And then the last ingredient, we're gonna add the cheese into here. All right. Now we're gonna whisk this all together. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the slow cooker and we're gonna add all the ingredients in there, and I'll tell you about how much longer you have to cook it for, at what heat, and then we're going to go ahead and move from there. All right, so first we're gonna, like I said, have this on high heat. Then we're going to go ahead and add the pasta shells. Go ahead and toss that around in there. And then that is when we add the mixture we just made into there slowly. And then just toss the cheese around with the pasta shells. We're going to cover this on high for 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and take a look at it, because after that, if it's cooked well enough, we switch it down to low heat. So like I said, on high for 30 minutes, and we'll be back in about 30 minutes. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes since this has been cooking on high heat. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right. You can tell it's getting nice and done. Just want to put a spoon on it so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. I like that. All right, so now that it's almost cooking done, I see the pasta shells are getting softer. We're going to cover this, put it to low, and we're gonna cook it on low for about 2 to 2.5 hours. All right, looks like it's done. So let's go ahead and serve this on a dish and garnish it, and let's see how it turned out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and garnish this off with bacon, cheese. I know it's mac and cheese, but you want to throw a little bit more on there. And green onions. And cilantro. That's all. So now we're gonna go ahead and taste this and see how it turned out. All right, now that the bacon mac and cheese is done and we've garnished it off, let's go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna include just a little bit extra bacon in my bite because I love bacon. Love it. It's creamy, it's spiced well, and those garnishes just make the bacon mac and cheese taste so much more fresh. So that's the bacon mac and cheese for today. And I just want to state that if you are vegetarian, don't be sad. Just take that bacon out and it's just as good as it is with the bacon. I just love bacon, so I like to include that in there. So please leave a comment, tell me how you liked it, how you made it, how it was. Give my video a thumbs up and like it. Subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell so it tells you when I do upload, and share my videos on Instagram or Facebook. And tomorrow is going to be the final and last episode for the Super Bowl Sunday special, which will be a secret. It's actually some of my favorite appetizers I'm going to be making tomorrow. So that's all for today, and thank you for always, again, like I say, showing me so much support and love.